Alright, Del Do-Yourself viewers. Today, we have some red bananas. Not yellow, not orange, red. Let's get right into these.
I mean, it smells like a banana. You just peel, you just rip.
I don't want to turn this thing to mush. I feel like it's gonna get mushed when I do this.
I don't know if it's because it's like riper, but it's a firmer banana. It's probably ripe, but it tastes good.
Alright, I got it.
Oh, you went the other way.
No, how? So monkeys eat bananas this way. They peel down from here.
That is true.
How'd that go for you?
Get that out of the way. Alright.
There we go.
Does it taste better or worse than regular banana?
It tastes the same. Like, it literally just
I mean, a
tastes
little bit spongier, kind of. That's not a good way to describe it, though.
Is it
but
drier?
It's like,
same texture, just a different bite.
it's literally just a regular banana. I'm gonna be honest.
It's good.
It's just red on the outside, that's it. It's just, I mean, the color's a little different. I want to say the inside's like a more darker yellow. If you can someone to test me on that. But other than that, like the taste, it's exactly the same. I wish I could say more, but I can't.
You a big sponge guy?
Sure.
No, not in my bananas. But it's not bad at all.
I mean, it's just a banana. I'll give it a solid 6 out of 10. It just tastes like a regular banana. Nothing too special.
Yeah, I'll agree with his rating, 6 out of 10.
I wish I can say more, but there's really not much else to say. Like, there's not really worth the hype of a red banana if there is a hype, because it just tastes like a regular banana. It just looks red. But no, that's all I have for you guys.
All that I say now is nothing to you.